And this is so freaking heavy. Come to think of it, I should even sell these things and build a house with them. What's up, how y'all doing? So your girl's back again with another video on here, and in today's video is me showing you guys. I am so freaking scared right now because I don't want none of these bottles to break because they're all my favorite. Ooh, I'll make something fall. Ooh, okay guys, I'm showing you guys my perfume collection, and this is so freaking heavy. Come to think of it, I should even sell these things and build a house with it. And literally, if anybody knows me, they know I love my smells. Look, I'll go and get a cheap one. If I get money, the expensive one, don't suffer. And today I'm gonna be showing you guys my perfume collections and why I love them, for you guys to have more idea in case you're going out there and you wanna, you know, smells and all of it, and you want to smell attractive and nice. Okay guys, so the first perfume I have on my collection here is Hypnotic Poison, and this perfume is by Dior. This perfume just smells amazing. Oh, it's so subtle, so beautiful, it lasts so long. The main notes you can smell in here, you can smell almond, you can smell vanilla, you can smell sandalwood, and you can smell some orange blossom. And if she's dressed, maybe she might be dressed in a man's sexy suit. I get a lot of like reaction when I wear this perfume, more than any perfume I've worn in this collection. Literally, I love it, and that's why I barely use it. It's a special occasion. You don't just use it like this. It is a very rich perfume. Yes, I know it's your money, but still, let me just tell you, be cool. This bottle is poison for sure. I would definitely recommend it, and if I'm supposed to grade it, I'll grade it a 10. Okay guys, the next on my list, and this is another favorite perfume of mine. Now this, beautiful, classy, amazing. Ooh, has mandarin, it has lemon, it has passion fruit inside, literally, and it's a woody perfume for ladies. And when I tell you guys, it is like long lasting. Seriously, I spray it on my clothes, and sometimes my clothes get dirty and I still want to wear them because the smell is on it. You can definitely use this at any time you want. Boost up your confidence, definitely, and it makes you a little bit, you know, not too intense, a little bit loosen up. So maybe hanging out with your friend, this is a very good option. It literally smells almost like bubble gum. Yes, that's how much fruity it is, but after a while it has this subtle, classy smell to it. Now this, if she was a lady, she would be dressed like Rihanna. Yes, if I'm supposed to rate this perfume, I'll rate it a 10, definitely, for my fruity fragrances. Like, this is a must. Okay guys, the next one on my list is this Dahab Kajal. Because of the way it's designed, like, you could see those things going on. Like, anywhere you see this, you think it's Arabic. So I thought it was an Arab perfume. Then I realized it was actually made in Paris. Smell this? It says luxury. The top notes, you could definitely smell Granny Smith apple in there. You could definitely smell bergamot also in there, and it's also a fruity fragrance. And guys, when I tell you, this perfume is seductive because I've tried it. It is. And if she was a lady, she would be more like the rich auntie vibes. That's it. You could go on a nice sit out with this with your friends. If I am supposed to rate this, I would rate it a 10. Among my 10 list, this perfume. Okay guys, the next one, my personal favorite for my day-to-day activities, like if I'm leaving the house in the afternoon and you don't want to use one of your classy perfumes. It's a unisex perfume. A woman can use it, a man can use it, and it has my name, Red Absolute. And guys, when I tell you, this perfume caught me on sight. Ooh, it smells really nice, and it has this powdery smell to it, but not too intense, not too sweet. You don't want to go smelling on a date like this, but It lasts so long. That is why I love it. Like, I can go in the afternoon, sweat my ass off, and come back and still smell it on me. If she was a lady, she would definitely be dressed in a pencil skirt with a sexy blouse, nice blouse covered all over, with some nice casual heels. And if I'm supposed to rate this perfume, I'll rate it a 9 out of 10. I really love it. On to the next. One of my personal favorite perfume of all time. This is my second bottle of this perfume. Like, literally, this is even almost finished, guys. It's here right now. Just right here. Now after this, I'm not sure I'm buying again. It's enough. Now this is a lovely perfume. Woo! Really nice. Vanilla, coffee, all of that good stuff. Come in here. Ooh! This is by Carolina Herrera. And this perfume is beautiful. It is gorgeous. It is sexy. Now this you can use anywhere. I can go out with this. I can use in a meeting. It's versatile. Literally most of the time I wear it in the night because that is when I enjoy the smell with. And if I'm supposed to rate this perfume, I'll rate it a 10. Definitely, it's worth it. It is long lasting. If this perfume was a lady, she'll be dressed in this long ass heels with some sexy ass suits on and beautifully stunning. Seriously, and should be a business minded woman, definitely. On to the next. My favorite, and this is Amouage. And this Amouage is a Arab based perfume. You could smell that zesty bergamot in there. It has some wood in there. It has a signature smell to it, literally. So if you want to really stand out, yes, you can wear it on a day, but I personally wear it on office times a little bit, you know, because after it relaxes, it has this nice smell to it. I know I love it. That's just about it. But if this perfume was a woman, she wouldn't be smiling. Everything would be covered. She wouldn't be smiling. But she's really beautiful. Like, even though she's that tense. Anyway, yes. And if I'm supposed to rate this perfume, I would rate it a nice. My personal favorite. This is the Alien. I'm hearing a lot about the Alien perfume. So I was like, okay, why not try it? And that smells. Woo. Like, yeah, I might be the alien, but I know you want me. But it smells so nice and welcoming. Like, even though it's woody, it's I want to feel really bossy, but the place I'm going is not really worth it that much, as in the surroundings. But I want to, you know, still feel bossy. This is what I wear. Now, if she's a woman, how she'll be dressed like, or how she'll look like, is this nice, beautiful, tall ass lady with some crop top and some ripped jeans, and she's wearing a heel. It has cool vibes around her. And this, if I'm rating it, I'll definitely, among my woody perfumes, I will rate it a 10. Definitely. Now on to the next. This is Dylan Blue by Versace. See how the bottle is designed? It's almost like an emperor crown. Now this smells beautiful. Her feminine energy going on there is really high, and she's someone who has her own but still wouldn't mind collecting a man's own. She is sexy, she is brilliant. You can wear it out with friends, you can wear it to go on dates, it's nice, it's versatile. And if I'm gonna rate this perfume, I'll rate it a 8 on my perfume list. Guys, all my perfumes I really like, absolutely like. Now on to the next. This is her. Now this perfume is La Vie est Belle, and it doesn't really smell fruity like that, but it has that going on there. Guys, this perfume I use for ride. You know, when you go catch cruise, you're going to this guy you like, and you know something is definitely gonna go down. Now this is the perfume I use. It lasts so long. It smells really welcoming. It smells really nice. Now if she was a lady, she would definitely have tie, ladies tie on their neck as necklaces when they're dressed, and she would be dressed calmly. And when I mean calmly, maybe wearing a silk top with some pencil skirts and some nice shoes, be it flat or low, whatever it is. You can wear this on a date, definitely. And if I'm gonna rate this perfume on its aspect, I'll rate it a 10. I love it. Until the next, I love this perfume, guys. This is the Terre de Lumiere perfume, and it has this shampoo smell coming out of it, really fresh, like you just came out of the shower, you just finished bathing. Smells amazing, smells amazing. Now I only wear this for my afternoon going out in the afternoon, running errands or anything. This is what I wear. This is for my calm ladies. They love what they do. On my afternoon perfume, if I'm rating this perfume, I would definitely rate it a 9. I love it. This one right here, guys. This one is Herbe by L'Occitane. They tied it with something that looks really natural. Now on its own, I really don't do it on its own, unless maybe it's in the night and I'm ready to sleep. Then that way I do it on its own, because literally there's lemongrass mixed with lime. It smells greenery, like leaf, like crushed leaf, but in a more sweeter version. If this perfume was a woman, she would be from the forest. Very natural, very raw, authentic vibes coming out of it. She wouldn't know anything about the city. Very close-minded. And if I'm rating this perfume, I'll rate it a 6. Yes, because it's greenery, and I don't like using it alone. I have to mix it with other fragrances. Thank God I have many. It's very spicy, a little bit minty, but very fresh. It's not too overpowering, it's not too out there. Now if I'm ready to mix and I'm going out in the afternoon, I mix this and this. It brings out the best out of each other. I love them together. Guys, if I am rating this perfume, if she was a woman, she would be definitely fire. You don't mess with her. You mess with her, you're messing with your life. Yes, I'll rate it a 7. Okay, now this is, from now onwards, it will just be my afternoon time perfume. Now this is Brown Orchid Rose Edition, and this is very flowery. It has a subtle base to it that is really attractive and nice. And this is more like just Netflix and chill and then fuck later. That's this. I personally like using it in the evening time, because that's when I feel like the superpowers in it come out more. And in the afternoon, the sun is just too hot for my comfort for this. This and this mixed together smells like Olympia, almost. Olympia. The problem I have with this is that it doesn't really last that long, but that's just it. It's really nice. If I'm supposed to rate it, I'll rate it a 7. Okay, on to the next. Now this I really like. This is Flossy Crescia by the same brand, L'Occitane. It smells like a flower. You're smelling the nectar of a flower. Literally, like, it smells like rose. Yes. It's really nice. Now this one, she's very playful. Very playful. Too playful for my comfort. If I'm definitely mixing, this is where, and I want to be a little bit playful, I'll just mix it with this too, and I'm good to go. If I'm supposed to rate this, I'll rate it a 7. The other one, this is Neroli and Orchid by the same brand, L'Occitane, and oh guys, this smells amazing. I think this is my most favorite among all of them. It smells like this girl you can talk to. She's your G, but yet still she's feminine. She's beautiful, very beautiful, that you cannot resist. And she doesn't judge, but she's a girly girl. She's dressed simple, classy, really nice and simple, with some slides and jeans and simple top. Just about it. If I'm supposed to rate this, out of my casual perfumes, I rate this a 10. Definitely, it wins it. It deserves it. Now, last but not the least, my favorite. Now, this perfume, I have it for my mans. Anyway, guys, that was just a joke. I have been single and I'm not searching, but I'm definitely having fun. And this perfume, this perfume, man, it smells amazing. There's vanilla in here, there's coconut, there's a lot fresher things in here. Anyway, let's just cut this matter short. This perfume is really nice and it has a little bit of peppery vibes going on to it. I got it because literally when you spray it, it's like almost like food. It's as sweet as food and the person just wanna eat you up, seriously. And this is Monoi. That's the name of this perfume. It's, how do you pronounce YVES? Yikes. Rocha. That's the, I think that's the craze of this perfume, but it smells really nice and sweet. And when you smell it intensely, it smells like coconut, but fresh with some sweetness going on there. And it definitely has pepper. I love it. If I'm supposed to rate this perfume, I'll rate it a 10. It's one of my favorite perfumes, and let's just say I love it. I really do. I love it, but I don't go out with it though. I only wear it maybe in the night or when I'm ready to hang out with someone. It's just like this. It's just like this perfume. Now, if she was a lady, she would be dressed in the lingerie, obviously, with a sexy long ass hair, and she'll be by the ocean waiting for you. Anyway, guys, that's just about it. Me myself, I don't tire, guys. I want to retire, but I can't. I love smells of perfume, and even though it's like this, if I go out and I see a smell like that, I'll come and add it to this perfume collection. I mean, I love money so much, but literally I'm only finding money to comfort myself, because at the end of the day, problem not the finish. So I want to be able to say, okay, money not do, but you know, I can smell nice, to please myself, to please people around me, to make them feel good, to feel comfortable and okay. But yes, guys, that's just about it about this video. If you know you are not a subscriber here, are you hating? Why you've watched up to the end of this video and now you have not subscribed? Which kind of thing is that? Anyway, go and subscribe. We're waiting for you. Okay, have you subscribed? Good. Welcome to this humble family. Here is all fun, playfulness, and education about your skin, for your hair, for everything. So yes, you're welcome. Be sure to hit that bell button to be receiving a notification when I post any new video. And guys, I love you guys so much. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment something nice in the comment section, and let me know what you guys think as well in the comment section. Bye, love you all.